Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone. Check Android version and free at least 200 MB so installs succeed. Once done, enable Install Unknown Apps for the browser you'll use to sideload tools. This allows third-party font or keyboard APKs. Make sure to back up your current keyboard settings and system fonts so you can restore if needed. Now download a reputable iOS-style emoji font package and an emoji-capable keyboard APK. You'll need both for the next steps. Next, choose the method that fits your Motorola. If you prefer no root, install a keyboard app that supports custom emoji images and import the iOS emoji pack there. This swaps visuals inside the keyboard only. If you're rooted, flash an iOS emoji font or install a Magisk module to replace system emoji. This changes emoji across apps. After installing, enable the keyboard in Settings and grant storage and accessibility permissions so the keyboard can load the emoji assets properly. Finally, set the new keyboard as default and test across messaging apps. Verify emojis render as iOS style in chats and social apps. If you see blank squares, clear the target app's cache, reboot, or reinstall the keyboard and re-import the emoji pack. If you used a system font change and encounter crashes, restore your backup or remove the Magisk module to revert. That fixes most instability. If problems persist, recheck permissions and ensure the emoji pack matches your Android version.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.